equation of the form absolute value of x is equal to k. Now this x, again, is any algebraic expression. Like we did before, like this 3x minus 2. That's an algebraic expression. Okay? So if that is inside an absolute value, and that's equal to k, now this k is any number, but what kind of number? Yeah, absolute value, if you remember, absolute value has always got to be positive, or it could be 0. So we can say any non-negative number. What that means is positive or 0. Right? Now if this k is negative, what does that mean? Can you ever have an absolute value that's negative? No. So immediately, if you see a negative number here, you're done. No solution. Okay, so it's got to be a positive number. So anyway, going back to the equation, it has this form. Then the solution is, and this is the easiest of everything, either your expression x is equal to k, or x is equal to, can you guys tell me? Negative k. And that's it. Let's look at some examples. Absolute value of x is equal to 0.3. So my notes here tell me if I have an absolute value equation, then I'm going to have two answers. Either this one or this one. So x is either 0.3 or x is a negative 0.3. I just realized I need to go back and do one more inequality, but I'll finish this one first. How about this one? Absolute value of 2x minus 7. Okay, there's an algebraic expression there, and this is equal to 5. So in your formula, or in the rule here, this x is not just an x by itself, but any algebraic expression. Now what does it tell me to do? I take that algebraic expression and make it equal to the positive part. So we have 2x minus 7 is equal to 5. Or the algebraic expression, 2x minus 7, is equal to a negative 5. Everybody see what I did? Now you can just solve each one of these equations. So this is 2x, you're adding 7 is 12, x is 6, or 2x is, this is going to be 2, x is 1. This is fine for me. You write them both, and you would say x is 6 or x is 1. Now, what if I'd ask you to graph it, though? How would you plot or on a number line? What would that look like? So I have the points numbers 1 and 6. Now this means x is 6, so that's just that number, that dot. Or x is 1, so it's just that dot. But this is what I've circled here is really what I'm going to be looking for. Good question. One more, quick. Absolute value of 3x plus 2 is equal to a negative 3. You don't have to do any work, just look at it. Why? Yeah, no solution. Absolute value can never be negative.